beginner's guide to crypto mining hardware buying. Now, guys, we're going to get straight into this after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So first, what we're going to do is go over to Coinbase.com and look at what is mining. Now, the definition is there. It's the process which by networks a specialized computer generates and releases new bitcoins and verifies new transactions. Now, minting is actually the process that Bitcoin and several other cryptocurrencies use to generate new coins and verify new transactions. It involves a vast decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains, the virtual ledgers that document cryptocurrency transactions in return for contributing their processing power. Now, computers on the network are rewarded with new coins. It's a virtuous circle, and the miners maintain and secure the blockchain. The blockchain awards the coins, and the coins provide an incentive for the miners to maintain the blockchain as well. So what is an ASIC miner? Okay, it's an application-specific integrated circuit. Now, an application ASIC is an integrated circuit chip designed for a specific purpose. The miner is a computerized device that uses for the sole purpose of mining digital currency. Now, generally, each ASIC miner is constructed to mine a specific digital currency, such as Bitcoin. ASIC miner can be only mining Bitcoin. One way to think about it is specialized Bitcoin mining computers optimized to solve the mining algorithm. Now, developing and manufacturing these are many devices is costly and complex. However, because ASICs are built especially for mining cryptocurrency, they do the job faster than less powerful computers. As a result, the chips for these are for cryptocurrency mining have become increasingly efficient, with the latest generation hashing 158 terahashes per second, but only using 34.5 joules per terahash. GPU mining now is a crypto mining process that uses specialized graphics card cores to solve crypto puzzles and verify transaction blocks. Miners actually prefer GPUs as they can divide and process similar repetitive yet resource intensive tasks faster with multiple cores. Now, guys, the growing interest in crypto and blockchain makes crypto mining more competitive. Most larger crypto miners actually start with CPU mining to win minimum rewards. As soon as they realize the CPUs offer limited outputs, despite high power consumption, that's when miners move towards GPU mining. Now, what's hard drive mining? So HDD mining, also known as storage mining, is the process of obtaining encrypted currency based on a hard disk storage, unlike traditional mining based on graphics process units. Also known as GPU mining, the hard disk miners use hard disks to generate new data blocks in the distributed ledger and receive rewards. So in terms of assembly and maintenance, hard drive mining farms are almost the same as traditional mining farms. In addition to the hard disk drive, a computer monitor and input device included a keyboard and mouse are needed to build hard disk mining scene. The main feature of this cryptocurrency mining is that it does not require a powerful GPU and a central processing unit, which means it's different from Bitcoin mining. The main component of hard disk mining is the HDD, the hard disk, with the capacity and performance of the hard disk being the most important. So the mining does not require a separate GPU to mine. Generally, an integrated motherboard or GPU with a built-in CPU is absolutely sufficient. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.